Hi guys, it's me Vasilikis, and in this video we are going to be testing an eyeshadow palette by Beaute. This is the Nostalgia eyeshadow palette. I'm also gonna be showing you today how I did this eye look. I have used almost all of the eyeshadows. In this one we have 15 beautiful shades. As you can see, we have a lot of bright colors. I'm also gonna be doing swatches of the eyeshadows. The price for this palette is $38.99. I got mine in the Boxycharm of February. This palette is cruelty free. And Beaute is one of the newest brands in the makeup industry. It was founded in 2016, so it is a very new brand. Let me know if you want to see more eye looks with this palette, also what colors you would like to see. And also don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials. This palette gives me happy vibes, summery vibes, and I'm not so sure what I'm gonna do today. I definitely want to use as many eyeshadows as possible. I'm gonna start off with eyeshadow Beach, and with an eye blender brush by Essence, I'm blending this in the crease. So this eyeshadow is not so dark. As you can see, it didn't make a very big difference. However, you can see that this eye is a little bit darker. So if you have a medium complexion, you can use this to set your concealer. Άβη, έρχεσαι λίγο. Ποια χρώματα να χρησιμοποιήσω? Ποια σ' αρέσουν?
Το πορτοκαλί.
Αυτό?
Ναι.
Ναι.
Το κάτω μεσαίο.
Μα το ροζ.
Κάτω.
Heat. Oh my god, heat. Heat and vacation. My husband chose heat and vacation. Nice. I don't know what to do with these colors. Okay, I'm going to continue with Popsicle. This one here. And the 228 Luxe Crease Brush by Zoeva. I'm going in the crease again. Ooh, that looks gorgeous. This is a very nice color. I thought it was gonna be very intense and neon, but it's very wearable. Very nice. Also, it blended like this. 1, 2 swipes. That's it. Now I'm just blending the edges. It looks amazing. I don't know if this is gonna look nice with the shades that my husband chose. We're gonna make it work. And I also like that so far with these two shades I don't have fallouts, because I'm afraid that I'm going to ruin my foundation today. And I'm also testing 2 face primers. Maybe that was a bad idea. This eyeshadow is also very easy to blend, and I love that because it is a very intense color, at least for me. Του ταιριάζουν αυτά τα χρώματα. Let's do it. Stop being a crybaby. After that, I'm taking camping with the same brush, and it looks amazing. I'm going to blend that in the outer crease. Ooh, that looks super gorgeous. I'm cleaning my brush on a tissue that I have in front of me, and I'm also adding some on the outer eyelid because I have a lot of product on my brush and I don't want to bring it towards my brow. Also a little bit outwards to give a more uplifted effect. Oh, that's a very nice eyeshadow. It looks super soft. One of my eyelashes left the party. Hooray! This blended into perfection. It looks blurred. Amazing. Let's continue with this one here. It is called Stargazing. And with an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm pressing this on the inner eyelid. That looks gorgeous. I'm also bringing some in the inner corner. This one also looks amazing in the swatches. But you know, we don't trust swatches. This one is applied very easily on the eyes. However, I feel that if I take some with my ring finger, it's gonna look even more, oops, I applied a lot. Now it looks like a foil. Oh my god. It is gorgeous like this. If you want something softer, you can use it with your brush. You can still see the sheen of it. With my brush, I'm blending the edges here. Better now. I'm cleaning the brush on a tissue here. And after that, I'm going to take the eyeshadow that my husband chose. This here eyeshadow Heat. And I'm going to press this on the center of the eyelid. That's super pretty. And with only the brush, you can see the beautiful color. I think the two eyeshadows blended very nicely into each other. This eyeshadow is very well pressed into the pan. I also want to add some with my fingertip, and you can see immediately that you have more pigmentation this way. From this eyeshadow, I have some fallouts. I should have applied some powder before. In case that you don't like using your fingertips on your eyes, you can always use a sponge tip applicator. After that, I'm taking another eyeshadow brush by Essence. This one is clean. And I'm thinking about using eyeshadow Raspberry now. And I'm going to place that on the outer eyelid with patting motions. I'm also going to bring it a little bit upwards because I have hooded eyes. I'm taking the previous Zoeva brush that I was using in the crease. This eyeshadow blended really nicely, especially in the crease. It has a nice color payoff in the outer eyelid. It looks super nice. It's not easy to find dark purple eyeshadows that blend so easily. After that, I'm going to take the green eyeshadow. It is called Theme Park, and I'm going to place this in the inner part of the lower eye with a smudging brush by Essence. So I think it looks fantastic. My only issue is that we don't have any other blue-green eyeshadows in the palette. It would be nice if we had a light green shimmery eyeshadow, because we could also use it with this one, with the yellow and the gold eyeshadows. This color is very saturated and very noticeable on my skin. It looks a little bit out of place. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about the color story of the palette. Next, I'm taking this one that I think it's gonna be my favorite, and it is called Flip Flops, and I'm going to place this on the center of the lower eye. This one is also looking fantastic. It is very easy to blend, and I don't have any fallouts. I like that. I have blended the bright pink eyeshadow in the green eyeshadow, and I like that we have created a new color. This one here, the dark purple, I think it's very nice. I want to get a t-shirt with this color, a bag, shoes, and then I'm going to continue with this one that my husband chose before. It is called Vacation, and I'm going to place this on the outer corner. This one here also looks super nice on the eyes, and after that I'm going to take the eyeshadow Water Slide with the same brush, and I'm going over the edges of all of the eyeshadows that I have applied on the lower eye. This is a very nice yellow eyeshadow. It is easily blended. Moving on to this eyeshadow. It is called Hiking, and with an eyebrow brush by Essence, I'm pressing this on the outer part of the lower eye, very close to the lashes. I can see that the color changed in this part, but I have applied so many eyeshadows that it's not so noticeable what is the true color of this eyeshadow on my eyes. So definitely I'm gonna use this eyeshadow again for another eyeshadow look. With a short blender brush by Essence, I'm taking a little bit of the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder, and I'm curious if I'm going to be able to remove the fallouts. No, I think they are set on my skin. Make sure to use some type of shield underneath your eyes, or you can also do your eye makeup before your face makeup. I never do that. After that, I'm taking this golden eyeshadow, and with a pencil brush by Morphe, I'm using this in the inner corner. Ooh! That's shiny. That looks gorgeous. It is very shiny and very reflective. Άβη, έρχεσαι.
Ωραίο είναι.
Thumbs up ή thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thanks. I have applied mascara. You can find all the products in the description box below. On my lips I have the semi-shiny lipstick by Essence in the shade 107 Wild Side. I have done lip swatches for all of these Essence lipsticks. You can find them in 8 colors and I'm gonna have a link in the description box. Also on top of it, because I thought it was very bright for this eye look, I have applied this lip gloss by NYX. It is the Butter Gloss in the shade Madeleine and I have blended it with my fingers so I could make it softer. And then now let's talk eyeshadows. I think the palette is really great because we have bright neon eyeshadows and they are super easy to blend. If you are a makeup artist and you're trying to find an eyeshadow palette with these colors, this one is really nice. I'm gonna give this palette 4.5 stars because the shimmery eyeshadows are not very bright on the eyes with just the brush. Also, I don't like that we have this green eyeshadow. I think it is very odd that we have it. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite colorful eyeshadow palette, and also if you like this one here. You can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!